This video here reports on Neuro Mind Pro supplements. This is something going around with scam marketing, claiming that, as you can see here on my screen, Morgan Freeman breaks silence on Alzheimer's battle, an exclusive 60-minute special. And it says Today Show, but we're not on today.com. It's a scam website pretending to be the Today Show. And it says 60 Minutes. 60 Minutes never covered this. Morgan Freeman has nothing to do with it. If you scroll down here, it's got Bill Gates, some sort of a honey recipe. That all is fake. Bill Gates has no involvement with this sort of a thing. With, what is it for? Reversing Alzheimer's, reversing dementia, brain fog, memory loss. There is no honey recipe. Any promise of a recipe with this sort of a thing is a tool, a marketing lie by the scammers to hook you into watching a very long video on a website. Don't fall for that. There is no recipe. The recipe promise is a classic scam thing that gets you to watch an entire video. It always ends up being a bottle of supplements. Just like with Neuro Mind Pro. If you're looking for Neuro Mind Pro reviews, Bill Gates' Neuro Mind Pro or Bill Gates' honey recipe, 60 Minutes episode. It's all fake, fraudulent, and scammy. Don't believe in that sort of thing. That will then take you to this website you can see here. It looks like CBS and 60 Minutes, right? But it's not. This is a scam website pretending to be CBS and 60 Minutes. Claims here an evil protein is literally killing the memory of 200 million Americans. And it has a video here. Let's watch part of it.
I couldn't remember my lines. I couldn't remember the faces. One day a fan asked for a photo, and I didn't understand why.
They called me a living ghost. I couldn't argue.
I couldn't remember my granddaughter's name. The girl I watched come into the world.
So they showed Wendy Williams, and then they showed Clint Eastwood after Morgan Freeman. Now they're showing Bill Gates. And all these depictions of them talking, they're not saying these words. These famous people, their videos have been manipulated, their lip movements, their vocals by AI, by the scammers, to make you think that these famous people endorse this. No doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorsed Neuro Mind Pro supplements for reversing dementia, Alzheimer's, whatever. There is no Bill Gates Alzheimer's cure or honey recipe. All that is fake, false, fraudulent, and scammy.
I've been under enormous pressure to stay silent. I refused.
Word for word, I remembered it. Word for word. That's when I knew I was back.
Tonight, 60 Minutes investigates the silent epidemic hiding in plain sight in Hollywood. 3 of the most recognizable faces in American culture, a combined century of work on screen, all of them quietly losing their minds, and all of them brought back by the same protocol. This is not a story about celebrity. It's a story about what happens when the most powerful industry on earth has an interest in making sure you never get better, and what happens when the most powerful philanthropist on earth decides he's had enough.
I want to be very precise about how this started, because I thought about it a lot. It wasn't dramatic at first, it was small. A word I couldn't find mid-sentence. A name that used to come instantly.
So if you see this scam with like Dr. Oz, Dr. Phil, Dr. Peter Attia, any other famous doctor, Dr. Sanjay Gupta, no doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorsed an Alzheimer's cure, a dementia cure, something that's amazing and new. Nor did they ever endorse Neuro Mind Pro. If you want a Neuro Mind Pro review and you want it to not be something from scammers, the review is that you should stay far away from this thing. I'm not calling the product a scam. I've not tried the product, but when the only marketing is scammy, what does that tell you about what's going on with this? I also saw a different article, very similar. Another fake Today Show website says 80s pop icons who almost lost their independence to severe cognitive decline and how they reversed the situation. Once again, it mentions Savannah Guthrie as the author. It says, let's see, Morgan Freeman, President Biden, Denzel Washington, and Morgan Freeman are the 3 names they mention here. Bill Gates. You got Anderson Cooper here. Bill Gates again in an interview of some sort. And let's see where this goes. It's going to go to a different video. Again, a honey recipe that does not exist. Honey does not do anything for reversing Alzheimer's and dementia. They show you that, the scammers do, to get you to watch their very long video, and they pitch you on supplements at the very end.
I couldn't remember my lines. I couldn't remember the faces. One day a fan asked for a photo.
It's going to the same video, basically. So this is something that will claim to you that Neuro Mind Pro is the product you need to order in order to reverse your Alzheimer's, reverse dementia, and really do amazing things for memory loss and cognitive decline, right? And it's simply not going to do that. This is a product that's been going around for a number of months and is now back, from what I can tell. And scammers are really promoting it, trying to get people to fall for it and spend a lot of money on it, when in reality, it's not going to have any miracle properties. I've seen these products many, many times. I cover cover thousands of different scams, my specialty. Apparently, this is what I fell into. My name is Jordan Lyles. I'm a senior reporter for the fact-checking website Snopes.com. I come here to my personal YouTube channel on nights and weekends to help people, to help consumers stay away from scams, because we are living in a time where there are so many more scams than there used to be, and there's not enough coverage to reflect the fact that what's happening, especially by the advertising platforms, Meta, TikTok, whoever, the way that those tech platforms, big tech, are accepting money from fraudsters, scammers, criminals to prop up and promote these scams. It's at such an insane level. Reuters had an article come out. They published an article months ago talking about how there are billions of scam ads all the time and how a certain percentage of Meta, Facebook and Instagram parent company, Meta, Mark Zuckerberg, a certain percentage of their revenue, according to an internal report, comes from scam ads. And of course, there was a PR statement from Meta kind of play this down. But I see scam ads so often because I look for them. I see thousands of them all the time. It is insane, the number of scam ads that are out there, meaning that these companies, Meta, TikTok, whoever, accept money to allow fraud to thrive because they know the FTC, or basically no one else, law enforcement, FBI, whatever, are never going to come after them. No justice in that whole arena. And what, are they going to fine them? My thinking always has been that if there was a big fine levied on these tech companies because of their acceptance of money for scam ads, that these companies would months later, a year later, just fire a bunch of people from the lower level of the company to make up for that lost cost. And that's what would happen. That's my opinion. Anyway, comment, subscribe. Don't order this product, Neuro Mind Pro. There is no evidence of this being an amazing miracle product. Go see a doctor. Scammers, likely from Brazil, are trying to defraud you of your money by having this scam marketing with Bill Gates, fake Today Show websites, and whatever else. Don't believe it. Please don't fall for this. If you did fall for it, call your credit card company and report fraud and see if they can block future charges, subscription fees, and get your money back. Maybe they can't do that. I don't know, but I really hope that you can resolve your situation. Thank you so much for watching.